It's a time that we talk to our ancestors with a good amount. And I said, let every one of us.
Today is our end of year party. People end of year party. So I'm live at the venue.
There is this saying that says,
you see, this is a very big villa, you understand? People washing hiki, I am machine hiki. So we are celebrating our end of year party today.
I will dive into Igbo.
You can see how gorgeous I'm looking. And down
with the color. Igbo mama. Kele, Liam, Mon, Pefe. What's going on here? Yes. I can give you a delivery. And I will go now where I'm here.
Let's go and see what is going on outside.
Rule number one, wash your hands. If you wash your hand, I'll ask you, are you ready? Please let us judge them. Place your water. They have washed. Just keep the water there, my sister. God bless you. You're a nice woman. God bless you. Keep your fufu, keep your swallow, keep her. Your hands. If you want your hand, can't they come out your hand? Come out. Alright, rule number 2, open your food. Open the swallow. Don't come out anything, no. Don't come out anything. Please, open the 2 swallow, open your soup. You have to finish this food. The person that finished first is the winner. Please, if you are eating and you are being choked by what you're eating, please surrender to avoid casualty. Rule number 3, take a sip of water. Open your intestines. Sip your water, close it. We are going to start eating at the count of 3. When I say the 3rd number, then you start. Hands up, please. Come out your hand. Remove your hand. Hands up. Can't remove your hand. All right. Somebody give me 1. I want you to watch them, please. Let us judge them. Somebody give me 2. Are we ready, guys? All the contestants, are you ready? I hope you are physically fit. Your stomach is fit. Are you ready? 3, go! But I say now look at this one. Also vampire. Vampires. See, when they chop meat, he just realized the chop meat sexy. Hurry. Oso is progressing. Oso is making waves. Emma is pushing. Boys are really in a happy day, Lariana. If I tell you, say they're hungry. Can't they movie? Who's on a problem? Who's on this 2 already? Now vampire. Yeah. This man is not a vampire, human shape. Oh no. You make eating so easy. If the Arab also here I see no human being. Mr. Kante, for him. 2 swallow. How many minutes?
I'm not that one.
I can't talk about give them 30 seconds. Hey, I don't know what I will. Please, can we call for Mr. Kante? The oldest man. All the contestants, now be the oldest man are looking small, but now 50-something years old man. 60, going to 60. This man have showed me say small but don't be sickness. Oh yeah.